I like to move it.
Hannah Godot's life went from this to this in only a few weeks.
This is my separate isolation room with a pink sticker. That means that they are going to be overly cautious with me.
She is one of over 100,000 victims of the COVID-19 variants.
I did everything right, and I still got COVID.
In late February, when, in the face of warnings,
we may not be able to avert a reacceleration of the epidemic in Canada.
Provinces across the country began easing restrictions.
The situation has improved in recent weeks.
Daily case numbers are down.
We're expanding the capacity limit for the retail sector.
But as overall nationwide cases began dropping, a different surge was beginning. The first of the variants appeared in December, then January and February. It was those small numbers in variant cases that foretold what Caroline Collane calls the start of the second pandemic.
People were so used to looking at the total cases and the idea that something small could be rising quickly while the entire picture looked okay because of those 300 or 500 cases a day. Very few of them were variants yet.
A CBC News data analysis shows with restrictions loosened, cases of variants exploded.
The yo-yoing from lockdown to lockdown scenario that we feared would happen was exactly what happened.
Yet provinces weren't tracking the variants the same way, which means no one had a clear picture of what was happening nationwide. This infectious disease expert authored a report about the breakdown of information sharing across the country.
I think having those real-time variant numbers could have allowed us to kind of raise the alarm a little more forcefully.
I don't feel like government really took care of us.
Most provinces have since clamped down again, and as of this week, for the first time, virus data from all provinces will be collected in one place. It's hoped this will provide a clearer national picture to track and manage variant outbreaks, though not soon enough for Canadians who are already sick. Jorge Barrera, CBC News, Ottawa.